How cool is this? So I'm only talking about the case here, right? This is the Craftsman 52-inch tool chest, which is 10 drawers. These are 100-pound capacity drawers, and they are soft close. Check this out. How cool is that? How cool is that? That is so cool for a 100-pound drawer. Obviously, it has like 1,000-pound capacity, has brakes on the wheels, super cool, has some holes on the side so you can mount stuff on the side. You should know this is made in America, not necessarily with American hardware, but it is assembled and made in America. It's Craftsman tough, so cool. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna install this as my backdrop in the new indoor studio. Let's go check that out. On the bottom here, this is absolutely perfect for what I needed. I just love it because I have some big, deep drawers there and obviously heavy duty drawers, so I could put all my big tools, my air tools in there. In the middle here, I know you can't see it the way the camera is, but I have nice little compartments where I'm keeping my hardware and stuff in here nicely organized. And then again at the top, I have two like medium-sized drawers where I have all kinds of tools and stuff in there. Overall, the quality is outstanding. I love the way the locks work. I love the way it looks. The cool neon does not come with it. Only if your beautiful Miss Nicole had bought this for you would it have cool neon. Overall, I've got to give this bottom chest also a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I am a huge fan.